Hey, Patty G here. Win 4214 right here in this box. Let's check it out. Okay, this is the Win 12-inch variable speed drill press. This is the one with the digital readout to tell you your RPMs. You always start at the back because of all the safety information. I'm going to edit that out. Alright, so it's 12 inches, it's got 3 1/8 inches of travel. It's a 5-amp motor, and that's really all I know about it. It weighs 80 pounds. That's going to be a short video. So let's see if we can't get this thing put together. Alright, first up, column assembly to base. Filled up my card today. Sorry. Back to the project. This doesn't fix it. It don't need fixing. Still got a little action going on there. I'm happy with it. That's where you tighten the rotation of the table. Now, this is supposed to do this. Rotate. So I may have the set screw back here a little too tight. I don't know. We'll see. Drill press head to column. Alright, 2 set screws here. Alright, my first impressions. There you go. Gotta be smarter than what you're working on. It seems to be fairly solid. Some things I don't like about it. There's zero polishing on this at all. Of course, it's a tool. You know, what do you expect? I get that. But if you put a piece of chrome on it, man, take 2 seconds and wipe it with an oily rag. I don't know what that is on there. These things were at one time made in Taiwan. I believe they're made in China now. It's quite a bit of spring tension, which is adjustable, I read. Can't tell if this collar for the depth adjustment is metal or plastic. I think I know the answer to this, but I was hoping. That's metal. Woo! All right. One more in the plus column. All right, what else we got? LED bulbs, install the chuck, inspect and clean the taper hole. It really says to beat it with a hammer. Yeah. Let's do it the way I know to do it. If it don't work, we'll beat it with a hammer. How's that? They can clean it. 91% alcohol. These things are coated. They can survive the trip over here. Yep, that's what you want. Turn it till it gives a little slip. Alright, for those of you who are sticklers about instructions, see if I can't make you happy. What else? What else? What else? Adjustments, etc., etc. Guess we can give it the smoke test, eh? I think I saw where this thing was rated at 5 amps. 0 RPMs. That's the laser. That's the light. Oh look, they're on separate switches. This way still turns on, or still stays on all the time it's plugged in. Okay, but that's pretty cool. I didn't know they were. I don't have any way to test run out. On the chuck. I do feel some run out on the chuck. I do not feel any on the arbor itself. Kind of a, where am I at there? Kind of a backyard way to do this, but yeah, real light marks right here. None here. Well, starting to get the ring right there. Well, it's not perfect. Let's put a bit in there and see what that tells us. Yeah, I might have to get another chuck someday. All right, what else? What else? What else? When you get this table in position, you can lock it so it doesn't have the wobbles. That's pretty cool. All right, I got a friend's got a run-out gauge. We're definitely going to check that and see what the what it actually measures. Oh, this is neat. The depth gauge is measured in inch and metric. And it's reading almost dead on 0. I was going to adjust it, but there's really no adjustment. None needed. Alright, one other thing. And this is the reason I chose this press. Alright. 1180 RPM, 3030. That was my old workmate rattling. A lot of air moving through here. Alright, if you're looking at a drill press, you have seen all the specs and everything. Paint job's kind of crappy. Back of the table's got runs on it. Some weak spots in the paint. Got some weak paint up here. I'm going to look inside here. I didn't really see anything about how this drive system works when I was doing my research. Alright, here's what's inside the cover. Got 2 pulleys. And, well, I still don't know how it works. That's not right. Oh, I do. It's like a CVT. Or what I call a slip and slide transmission. Okay, there's high speed, 3,000 RPMs. I'll pull the handle down. The belt, the pulley collapses. And because the pulley's wedge shaped, it spans this pulley. In effect, makes this pulley larger as far as the drive system and the belt's concerned. By the way, I did read in the instructions not to change speeds unless the drill press is running. Last time, slowing down. you guys know any of the details, let me know, man. Drop me some comments down there. Yeah, this is the one thing I did not see on the web or on YouTube. So hope this helps some people that are looking for the same thing. Okay, let's check and see if crosshairs are centered. There you go. Almost dead center. This price point, $229 plus tax. So at $229, yeah, man, I'm all over it. I'm all over it. I'll keep you posted. I'll do another video here after I use it a while. And I've got another video where I built the table to mount this thing on. Hope you enjoy that. Get that up in the next few days. And as always, hey, thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you later.